Alright, I'm going to finally try to etch my own boards. Never done this before, so that's what I'm using. It's Ferric Chloride mixture. There's my PCB I'm going to etch. Little scratch pad to clean the PCB. This is my blue peel and press paper with my board on it. And my acetone, and I've got a t-shirt press that I'm heating right now in the other room. So it's heating up. I'm going to begin here, putting this image on the board and putting some heat to it to transfer the toner. Alright, so this is my setup. Little t-shirt press. Got this little round fitting on here. Temp set at 350. I'm not going to time it. It's probably going to take a few minutes. So I'm not even going to turn the timer on. So here's my board. Got the tape with the image facing down, mirrored. So let's scoot this under here. And we'll see if we can get that image on the board. See you in a minute. Alright, got it out of the press. I did cool it down with some water. All the videos I've watched, they always cooled it down. So let's see if we can get that toner to transfer. See if it transferred anyway. Peel this back. Oh, look at that. Wow, that was easier than I thought. That is awesome. I put a piece of tape behind it to keep it from moving around. Awesome. That's pretty sweet. Not bad, I must admit. Alright, so we'll put it in ferric chloride and see what happens. We're going to agitate it. It is not warmed up, but I'm just going to agitate it. The liquid is at room temperature. So here we go. Now I'll do this for a few minutes, see what happens. And looks like the etching's done. It's been about 15 minutes. This is a powder form of ferric chloride. I mixed with water 4:1. Might make it a little stronger for the next one, but I don't know, we'll see. I got some water here and a little scratch pad to get the resist off the board. Looking sweet so far. See if I can do this. Hang on. Move that out of the way. Down on the table. It's coming off slowly. Alright, get the rest of this off and I'm back. Alright, so went ahead, I got some acetone in a little container here. It's, instructions say it's probably the best way to get that resist off. Let's soak in there for just a few seconds. As you can see, I covered my ferric chloride up in a sealed plastic container. You can actually use this over and over again, probably 5 or 6 times before I got a new batch. The powder ferric chloride I have is this one here. Pretty cheap. I think it was like $10-12 or something on Amazon. So yeah, it's powder form. When you mix this in, you pour this in water and do it a little at a time while mixing it, because it will flash boil. So it does make heat when going in water, so be careful of that. Now this is not an instruction video, so if I feel like it one day where I perfect my technique of doing this, which this one looks pretty good, I will make a video, instructional video for it. But there's a ton on YouTube, so I mean there's really no sense of making another video about the same thing. Okay, so let's take this out and see what we're dealing with here. A rag here. And coming off a little bit. Soak it in there for another minute. Alright, looks pretty decent. I hate my light here. Looks like I didn't get all the traces. We're gonna have to. I use Eagle from Autodesk now, but it's originally from CADsoft. I'd rather have it from CADsoft. But anyway, going to have to make a little more clearance between my traces and my ground plane. But for the first board, I'm actually surprised it worked that good. So, yeah. I don't know how well it's coming up on the camera here. And sorry for the crappy video and audio. I am using my phone for this. I don't have an actual camera because I'm just a poor boy. So, alright, so I'm going to go inspect it out under a microscope and see really how good it is, how bad it is. I'll let you know. Alright, so right now you're looking through my microscope. Little pocket microscope here. And you can see, oops, so I can focus on that. Well, this is supposed to be a tray surrounded by a ground plane. And it's, it didn't do too well. So I think I need to widen my traces out a bit and probably leave it in the ferric chloride for a few minutes longer. But all in all, it's not bad. And this is another microscope I'm using. It's actually a Radio Shack microscope. Nostalgia for all you old people. It's actually a decent microscope. So, I do have a stereoscopic microscope, but I don't want to drag it out just for this. So, there you go. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to. Hopefully I'll be putting some more videos up, especially my experience with my first time etching. So,